Alright, so hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to clear search history on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started right away. First of all, go to this Messenger app on your mobile phone. Then on the top upper side, you will see a search bar like this. This is the search bar, just click on it. And now you want to delete this search history. Like I have the recent searches, so I have to remove this person from the search history. So what I need to do is to go to the edit option on the top right side here on the edit option, click on that. And here you can see an option called clear all. You just need to click on the clear all and again just tap on the clear searches. And there you go. As you can see, there is no searches on the Messenger, Facebook Messenger right now. So that's it for today, guys. Hope this is helpful. If yes, please do like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, guys.